What's up, little suckling pig?
Little suckling pig, and you're not getting any, yeah. This is special. Today I'm grilling an Iberico piglet on the Kamado Joe. This is what's up. The summer is coming. You gotta put your barbecue on the deck again. You gotta impress your friends. But what are you gonna do this time? You gonna be making brisket? You gonna be making chuck? No, man, you got something. You gotta have something special. You gotta have an Iberico piglet. When I say special, I mean special. This is an Iberico piglet. And personally, I never had an Iberico piglet in my grill before. So I'm super excited about this moment. I've had piglets before, many, but not one like this. This one is truly special. We're gonna prepare it, we're going to season it, and we're going to grill it on the Kamado Joe Big Joe. It's gonna be super, super tasty. Oh, let's go. First step is that we tune down this little piglet a little bit. We need to take the head off to make sure that it fits on a barbecue. I'm also going to take off the ends of the legs because we're not going to eat them and they're just going to be in the way. On this little piglet we still have the livers attached. I'm going to take those out. Then on the other side I'm going to score into the skin, and that's going to help with rendering down the fat when we are roasting our little piglet. On the inside we're going to apply seasoning with salt, pepper, paprika powder and onion powder. I'm going to let this sit for a while so the salt will draw moisture out of the meat and make sure that the rub sticks. And in the meantime, we will be working on our barbecue sauce. I'm going to start with half a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, 1 teaspoon of Tabasco hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of apple syrup, which is basically a boiled down version of apple juice. And to sweeten things up again, we're going to add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk it up, set it in the fire, let it come to a boil, and once it boils, just take it off and set it aside for when our piglet is done. Let's fire up the barbecue. Barbecue's ready. I'm gonna put the piglet on. There we go. What a beauty. And it fits perfectly. We took the head off, we took the legs off, and now it fits to the Kamado Joe Big Joe. I set it up with charcoal from my wood fire, the little embers burning, and it produces a low heat with still a little bit of smoke flavor. This is a real American traditional way to cook your pig, and we're doing it in our Big Joe. Of course, I gotta make sure I keep my fire going, and every now and then I gotta put new embers in. And the last thing you're gonna do is call your matey, tell him what's going on.
What's up, dude?
Yo, buddy.
What's up, little suckling pig?
Little suckling pig, and you're not getting any, yeah. Look,
Got it all scored up.
we got the real deal going on. No charcoal, just embers. It's gonna be.
You're inspiring me. Now I'm gonna go get a little suckling pig of my own. I gotta do it. I can't let you I gotta one up you now. I don't know how I'm gonna do it.
You gotta one up me on this one. When our piglet starts to turn brown and the meat caramelizes, it's time to flip it around. The core temperature is not where we need it to be, but we still need to crispen up the skin on the other side. So we're gonna give this a little while longer and let it turn delicious. In the meantime, I'm going to brush on the sauce to make sure that we get the flavor we want and have the meat nice and juicy. Oh, that's special. That's special. A mountain of goodness. And you saw the meat tearing up and all of the juices that are in there. It's so tender. It's so cool. And you got all these cool pieces like the ribs, and I had a tenderloin here somewhere. Where is it? Dude, where? I think this is a piece. Yeah, this is the piece. This is what I was looking for.
How do we do this? How do we do these kind of things? Alright, I'm gonna start.
Oh my freaking God. Head forward. Oh my God. This is like meat went to heaven, got cooked and came back down again.
This is true barbecue. This is like smoke flavor, really juicy pork, and you can share them with a lot of people. Bring a couple of knives, things like this. I don't know what the heck this is, but I don't even know if this is a handy tool, but it's cool. Because you can stick it in there and just show it to everybody and eat from it. And that's what you want. Matter of fact, I'm gonna stick it in right now.
Alright. Take it easy there, boy. If you want to surprise people, if you want to get people excited about barbecue, your barbecue, make this. You're gonna be king. You're gonna be cooking all summer. Nobody wants anybody else's barbecue anymore. It's over for you. You got your whole weekend, you're booked.
I'm not even going to bother with the barbecue sauce.
What?
No. Hey, no, seriously.
It's good sauce.
So seriously, I enjoy this so much.
Eat the sauce.
No, let me have my moment now with this meat.
No freaking way. Morrison,
Yeah.
your job's at stake.
Okay, sauce. More, right?
Oh, dunk it in. Dunk it in. You gotta dunk it. Who taught you how to eat?
That's a good sauce though. That's a really good sauce. Okay, I'm doing this all wrong.
What? What are you so picky about? What? What's wrong with the dog? You broke the dog.
You want this piece? This one's really nice. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
No
good
way.
boy.
I'm so upset right now. This is really upsetting me. You understand that?
Yeah, but she didn't expect
I'm
it from
her
me.
boss.
Yeah.
It's my dog. I feed her.
Yeah, and I never feed her. That's the whole thing. And she thinks this is our only chance.
This video's over.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed the show. Big thumbs up, everything, yada yada yada. Big thank you to patrons, YouTube members. This show is over.
Go to Pitmaster X for the recipe, for the full recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk.
The mouth is over. I'm not playing this game.
I'm taking a piglet.